Bootstrap panels can be used to contain any type of content. This example shows a panel with some text inputted inside. Creating a panel is simple. As you can see in the HTML code, we start by creating a div element and assigning a class attribute set to panel and panel default. Next, we create a nested div. This div has the class panel body. The panel content should be contained within this div. You can see we have the words sample text content inputted inside. We can add a panel heading by creating another nested div and assigning the class panel heading. So let's go ahead and do that. Similarly, a panel footer can also be added. Before we add our footer, let's save the file and refresh the page, and you can see the panel heading has appeared here. To create the panel footer, we'll go ahead and create another div and just give it the class panel footer. Now we'll save the file and refresh, and we can see that we've now added a footer to the panel as well. We can create panel groups by wrapping multiple panels in a div with the class panel group. So here you can see we have our div with the panel group class, and then we have a series of panels inside. So we have 3 panels, and the structure of this code is the same as what we just went over when talking about the basic panel. We just have 3 of them nested inside a panel group. We can attach contextual classes to panels to add color, and to do so, simply replace panel default with the contextual class you want to apply. So for example, panel primary, panel warning, for example, and we'll add a third one, danger, and I'll just save the file and refresh the page. So you can see that we've added a bit of color to the panels with the contextual classes.